If it's fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. You can smile, but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down, funny nigga. That's the way I like it.
I can tell by the title, we about to paint my house today. We about to do some renovations to the house. I'm so excited. So excited, bro. I have been wanting to paint this house ever since I moved here. The paint job is so ass. So the front of the house, something was wrong with the wood around like the porch. So they had to take the wood out. So like it's some discoloration like around the porch areas. It's like a whole different color of what the house is, and I don't even like the color of the house. Definitely finna change that. We're gonna paint it the color chat room, and I'll insert that right here. I'm gonna start planting some flowers right here in this area. My favorite color is orange, y'all, so like we finna do like orange, yellows, maybe like some a couple pinks, but like majority of the shit's gonna be orange. I love orange. What else? I just got my new sink installed. I got a new faucet installed. I got some new lights. I got a new light in the hallway. I got a new light in my dressing room. Y'all gonna get to see the ins and outs, the behind the scenes of everything. I'm just ready to see the before and after. Like, I know it's gonna be a lot, but we're gonna get it done. This video is probably not even gonna get posted until like a week after I even do this shit, because I know this, just painting the house and planting the flowers, is gonna take me a week itself. So, let me get my ass up and get to it. So as you can tell, I got a whole lot of shit going on right here. But anyways, this is the 5-gallon bucket of paint. And that's the discoloration I was talking about. And the ugly ass color. Yeah. And this is where we're gonna put the little flower bed at. Very cute, very cute. Yeah. And y'all can tell right here, when they had to take the wood out from behind there, they had to take the cement off too. So for the time being, we just got this little wood thing up there. Honestly, I don't even know why we got it up there, because that piece right there is still missing. And all that inside there is like empty, so we're gonna fill it up with some brick and then top it off with some more cement, so we could just have a regular porch again. We could tear the wood off. And yeah, so today we're just gonna focus on painting right here and cleaning this area, so we could go ahead and get this dirt tilled up and I can start my little flower bed. But yeah, that's what the house is looking like right now. Ugly, honestly. Oh, shit. See what I'm saying? Discoloration right there. Yeah. I need to rake all the leaves up, and I need to plant some more grass. My shit is dying. And I think I want to do like some bushes or something alongside there, but we'll see. I'm about to throw this on a time lapse because shit is about to get real.
Give me something I'm lucky. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me.
So today my son had a doctor's appointment, so I really didn't get much done. And I believe my granddaddy is gonna have to like sand that. So I didn't even like paint that little part. I just got that little part done right there. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to hit this. I just want to go ahead and be able to put the garden right here. So I probably painted for like an hour, and I got all that done. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. That's like a couple days if I was to like do multiple hours during the days. This is day number 1. And for day number 1 to only be an hour long session, I feel like we got somewhere. So let's see how much we get done tomorrow. We back. It is day 2. Numero dos is around like 9:30 in the morning. I'm about to get my son to sleep. And we about to go outside and see how much we can get done within these little couple hours.
A few moments later.
So I go outside, right? Babe, we got the package, and I forgot all about this package. So this is something that I could use while I am painting. So I like them. But now I'm just waiting on my grandparents to bring me the paint rollers. I need a pair of pliers. It's like a thing that holds a flag on my front porch, and I'm never gonna hang a flag up ever. So I need that off ASAP. What else? I need a ladder. Some paint trays, because yesterday the only thing that I painted with was one of the hand brushes. I'm not finna do the whole house like that. So yeah, whenever they get here, I'll start painting it. But until then, we just chilling. Mommy's painting! Yay! Okay, look, there go my granddaddy. Let's see what he got going. Can't drive.
Impatient too.
Just like you. Just like you, Bookie. I just realized I got a ladder right here. I'm about to use this ladder instead of the scaffold until my granddaddy gets back. Let's do it.
They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you.
I appreciate you for coming to help.
Already.
For sure, Ski got your ass.
Patty started busting when I came over here, huh?
That's what I'm saying. Parlay Patty, nigga. I'm good luck. Fuck, nigga.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I'm here to help paint.
I'm good luck, though.
You are good luck.
I know. I'm telling you.
Hell, whenever I started help recreate your vision, my life coming together.
Yeah. Exactly. So keep doing it. Thank you.
2 weeks.
Shit. 2 months.
They is front of the house, get painted her beautiful green gray. And that's what it is.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me, what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and got drunk, and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man, I think that we hit it on something proper. Like the bartender, ooh, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, like the bartender, yeah, if you're looking for me, like the bartender. Okay, got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Give a shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and got drunk, and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She made me a wink, I wink back, and man, I think that
He's crazy. But this is the progress that we made today, y'all. I feel like we did good. Like what? What you said, like 2.5 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours.
3 hours.
3.5.
We almost done. Tomorrow we're gonna hit the sides.
But
See you in the morning.
see you at 9.
It's 8:38, y'all. We just had breakfast.
That's really good.
Let's go.
right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. I thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story. It don't work.
Y'all, this all we got. My allergies fucking with me heavy. Kaylin, what's up, Grandpa? Yeah, that's all we got though. I was gonna finish that, but as y'all can tell, y'all can hear in my voice. We got this over here. I know I'll definitely have this and that done tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start on the other side of the house. This what I'm gonna try to tackle tomorrow, y'all. Let me go take this trash out. And the result for today, I'm gonna try to tackle like majority of that wall tomorrow. The front is basically done. I just gotta get a few spots sanded, like up there. Gotta sand that and fix that. But it looks good. It looks good. We got a little bit more to go over here. And then we got the back. And I gotta paint that too. And I gotta repaint that white.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now.
This thing here will stand out. You mash the button, pull it out.
Yes, sirski. Both sides is done. That finishing up.
There you go.
See you in the morning.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mindless you get talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that care pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu achuru. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing?
Okay, do y'all like the paint, the new paint, or no?
No. I don't. I don't.
Jackson.
I'm sorry. I can't talk quite right. I'm sorry.
Gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. This is the ending product. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna do another video and show y'all where we take the porch off and stuff and start the flower bed. Dad's in the back finishing this up.
Yeah, you pissed me off.
I put this soda up, and I drop them, because I don't care. I don't care.
All right, so see you guys in the next one.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running